Bearded vulture. Hello everyone. Speaking of vultures, we think, oh no? Isn't that right? This is the most handsome vulture. He also has the second most beautiful beard in the entertainment industry. Is that true? Unlimited. The animal world around us. Indeed. The bearded vulture's scientific name is Gypaetus barbatus. It is the only bird of prey in the genus Gypaetus, family Accipitridae. Bearded vultures are very large, with a length of over 1.2 meters and a wingspan of up to nearly 3 meters. Weight from 4.5 to 8.0 kilogram. They have a diamond-shaped tail, which is considered unusual among birds of prey. Bearded vultures forage over a large territory of up to 2 square kilometers. They prefer the limbs of sheep and other small mammals. They generally despise carcass and their diet is typically 85 to 90% bones. Oh, I forgot. It's bones and bone marrow. This is the only living bird that specializes in eating bone marrow. They often wait for their greedy neighbor to finish off the excess meat of their prey. Already. So delicious. So delicious. Do you eat? Can't eat it, right? Then please. Bearded vultures can swallow whole or peck through brittle bones the size of sheep femurs, and their powerful digestive systems quickly dissipate even large pieces. Bearded vultures have learned to break bones too large to swallow by carrying them 50 to 150 meters above the ground. With bones up to 10 centimeters in diameter and weighing up to 4 kilograms, or nearly equal to their body weight. Then drop them onto the rocks below, smashing them into smaller pieces and exposing the nutritious marrow. And this action can be repeated if the bone has not broken. Alternatively, for medium-sized bones, they can hold the bone in their beak and hit the rock to break the bone. Turtles are also on their menu. And the way turtles are eaten is similar to bones. This learned skill requires a lot of practice for immature birds and takes up to 7 years to master. Bearded vultures breed on high cliffs in southern Europe, the Caucasus, North Africa, southern Africa, the Indian subcontinent and Tibet. The female usually lays a clutch of 1 to 2 eggs, although 3 eggs have been recorded in rare cases, which are incubated for 53 to 60 days. After hatching, the young spend 100 to 130 days in the nest before flying out. The young can depend on their parents for up to 2 years, forcing the parents to repair the nest regularly. The nest is a large pile of sticks, 1 meter wide and 69 centimeters deep. When the nest was first built, it was 2.5 meters wide and 1 meter deep. Although generally solitary, the relationship between a breeding pair is often very close. Monogamous care occurs in bearded vultures. In some cases, polyandry has been recorded in the species. There are also guys who often commit adultery. Wild bearded vultures have an average lifespan of 21.4 years, but have been observed to live at least 45 years in captivity. Today, shrinking habitat, combined with low reproductive success rates, is a threat to bearded vultures. Let's join hands to protect the environment and protect animals so that the Earth will always be our green planet. Thank you for watching the video. See you again in my next parts. Please like, share and follow my channel.